this is John Young from Weekend Handyman. Today we're looking at a piece that you need to check out for your garage or shop. This is the standalone dustpan right here. And what this basically is a little, very lightweight plastic, and with a metal handle here, dustpan that will stand so I can sweep into it. Very quick and easy. It's got a nice little lip down here, so it will come right to the floor. I can sweep into it without any problem. You just leave it there, sweep, and off you go. Now I want to demonstrate this, so we're going to go to the other camera and kind of demonstrate this with a spill of some screws. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we've got our standalone dustpan here, and we've got some screws here. So I just let the unit sit here, and I use my broom. Yeah, really high-end broom there, John. But I can go sweep into it without a problem. The unit itself sets down, and there's a little bit of a lip here, but not too much of a lip. So with a little bit of an uptick there, I can easily, let me grab some more so I can demonstrate some more. I can easily get the sweep things up into there. And again, it's standing all alone, so all I have to do is just sweep, and I'm good to go. The standalone dustpan is going to be something for the garage or for the shop, and it's going to allow you to basically, sweep, focus on a sweeping motion, and to be able to leave it set in the spot. And it has a big hopper, so I can get a lot of dust, sand, screws, whatever, inside, and then when I'm done, take it out to the garbage and dump it in, and off I go, or put it in a bag and off you go. Dog food bags work wonderfully for that. I'll put a link in the description below, but you can go to, I think they've got a website out at Standalone Dustpans. That's dustpans, plural, .com. Go check that out. Links will be in the description below, so you can go find out more information about this. This is something, again, if you've got a shop, if you've got a garage, you got to check this out.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.